users, this is a quick tutorial on how to create a new login account for our InfoHub. I'm Meredith, and I'm going to guide you through the steps on how to register for our upcoming events. So here we go. So go to our SEV Chamber homepage, which is sevchamber.com. You'll click on the member login, which you'll see here. Once you get to this page, you'll be prompted down here to create a new account. We're creating a new account because we have changed platforms and updated. So you will need to create a new account in order to log into the InfoHub. So click the Create Account. You'll put in your first name, last name, and the email address in which you have an active membership. Then you'll click Submit. It should prompt that you will get an email to confirm your email address. And from there, you should be logged in to the InfoHub. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, please call us at 386-428-2449 or send us an email, sevinfo at